Hello students, I Pramod sir once again welcome you in 7th standard maths period. So students, we are going to start our third lesson today. So first of all, in introductory part of decimals, which is our third lesson, let us see. I am going to write some of the examples related to decimals. So students, 15.708, first example I have written. Second example, let us take 827.8942. Third example I am writing here, 5008.72. Okay students, so by using the decimal point, I have written here some decimals here. Now let us categorize it. First of all, thousands, later on hundreds, after that tens, later on units place, after that tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Okay. If we will consider the first decimal, what we can see, let us try to fill this table. Here students, one is at tens place, okay, 5 at units place. Now tens, you know it that after decimal point, its right part. So tens, th, we use the letters th. Okay. So at tens place, 7 is here, right? At hundreds, th, once again, hundreds place, 0 is there, and thousands place. At thousands place, for thousands I have written here, thousands place 8 is there. Okay. Now similarly, if we have to categorize each of the digits, then 8 is at hundreds place, 2 is at tens place, 7 is at units place. Later on, after decimal point, it is tens, it is hundreds, right? 4 is at thousands, and 2 is also there. So it will be 10,000 place. So it will be 10,000 place. So 10 at 10,000 place, 2 is also there. Now students, for the third example, let us see. 5 is at thousands, s, thousands place, 0 at hundreds, and tens place, 8 is at units place, and after that tens place 7, and 2 at hundreds place, means 7 and 2. Now students, why I have taken these examples is very simple thing, so that you should come to know that these are up to units place, it is integral part, it is integral part, right? And after decimal point, so students, regarding the tens place, you know that if I am writing 0.7, suppose I am going to write these tens digit only. So here it is 7 at 10th place, right? Which is at 10th place. So 7 is nothing but 0.7. 0.7 it is, right? And of course it will be 7 divided by 10. 7 by 10. Here 8, that is 0.8, is nothing but 8 divided by 10, right? And this number, once again 7 is there, so we know it. That is 0.7 is nothing but 7 upon 10, 0.7. You can say, right? Here for hundreds place, hundreds, okay. So for hundreds place, if I will consider this 9 and 2, okay, that means hundreds place पर अगर मैं सिर्फ 9 लिखना चाहूँगा तो वो क्या बन जाएगा 0.09. That means 9 in this number, 9 is at 100 place. So it will be obviously 9 upon 100. So we know all that you are very well known regarding all these things. What about then this 4, which is at thousands place? So 0.00, 10, 100 and 1000. Why we call this thousands place? Because it is nothing but 4 divided by 1000. Yes, students? Why it is 10? Because divided by 10. Why 9 is at 100 place? Because it is divided by 100. So 9 divided by 100. 2 zeros are here. So we know that 1, 2 digit, after 2 digit, just before that decimal point will be here. In the similar way, if 4 is at thousands place, then obviously 4 divided by 1000 will be there. Now one example I have taken here regarding 10 thousands place also. So it is 2. What is it? It is nothing but 2 divided by 10,000. Now if we have to see its place properly, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there, right? So if I will write 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, means after 4 digits, decimal point will be there. So you can see in the second example, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regarding 2, it will be its value. Okay. Now students, I will take further examples. Now students, let us see. Once again we will observe this second decimal. Okay. Here 827. So we know students at hundreds place 8, tens place 2, units place 7, 827, right? 8942 at tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. You can see there, right? Now students, how we get this number is very simple. 800 plus 2 tens means 20, you know. 800, 2 zeros, 2 tens means 20. Units place 7 into 1 means 7 only. Now plus 8 tens. So students, it will be 8 upon 10. You know it very well. Plus 900. So it will be 9 upon 100 plus 4 tens means 4,000. So 4 upon 1000 plus 2 10,000 means 2 upon 10,000. So students, this number will be 827, of course. Now after decimal points, because it is 10 means 8 upon 10 means 0.8 plus 9 upon 100 means 0.09, we have seen it, 0.0 consider it, and 9, and similarly we can get this number. Now students, we will see the further part. So students, in the further part comparing decimals, let us take some examples. If we have to compare between the decimals, which one is greater than, which one is less than or equal to, right? If we have to compare between the decimals. First example I am going to take 8.325 and 83.25. Second one 17.09 and 17.90. Third one 8.570 and 8.57. Only 3 examples I have written here. Now let us try to compare this. So students, before comparison, what should we think is more important? So first thing is, we should focus on integral part. We should focus on the integral part. Regarding integral part, I told you earlier that the digits or the number before decimal point, right? That is integral part. So in first example, if I observe these integral parts of both the decimals, then here it is 8 and here 83. So we need not observe these parts, the latter part after decimal point. उसको देखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. We have to observe just the integral part first, and you find it that here 8 is there and 83 is there. Of course, you know very well that 8 is less than 83. 8 is less than 83. So it's very easy that 8.325 will be less than 83.25. Now in second example, if we observe the integral part, so what can we see here? That these two integral parts are same. Integral parts कैसे हैं students? Same. In that situation, what will we do? So we will observe each place in this way. First of all, we will observe tens place, later on 100 and so on. यानी डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद में एक एक डिजिट को ही हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. जैसे कि सबसे पहले टेंस को देखेंगे, बाद में हंड्रेड्स को देखेंगे, बाद में थाउजेंड्स को देखेंगे एंड सो ऑन लाइक दैट। सो ये इंटीग्रल पार्ट 17 जो है which is same in both the decimals. So the next 10th part, here 0, right, and here 9 is there. Now students, once again 0 is less than 9 like the earlier one. 0 is less than 9. So 17.09 is less than 17.90. Okay students, I hope you understood this. Now in the third example, we can observe that the integral part is same, 8 and 8. After decimal point, tens place are also same, tens place are also same, hundreds place are also same, hundreds place भी same है. Later on 0 is here but not there, right, not written there. Here 0 is there, but we know students that after decimal point, after the completion of all the digits, we can write infinite number of zeros. Of course 1.2 is nothing but 1.20000 and so on. We know it very well. So students, both these decimals are same. So students, one example I want to take here also. Let us see 7.2859 and the second is 7.28509. Let us try to compare this also. So first of all, what will we see? Integral part, which are same here in both the decimals. Okay. Now tens part, these are also same. Hundreds th, hundreds part are also same. Thousands part are also same. And now you can see the 10,000s part. Here 9 is there and 0 is there. So obviously it will be greater. So you can see that comparing the decimals is also very easy part. So I hope you understood this. Now we will see the further part.